Check out this absolute powerhouse of a channel. 36.6 million views on a single upload, 16.6 million on the next, and 2.5 million right after that. Today, I'm handing you the exact, step-by-step blueprint to replicate these massive numbers and build your own faceless empire. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First, navigate down to the description box of this video, where I have provided a direct link to our master document. Open that file up, highlight the entire text from top to bottom, and copy it directly to your clipboard. Next, head straight over to ChatGPT. Paste that massive block of text into the message bar and hit generate to initiate the workflow. Instantly, the AI system processes the command and maps out 10 highly unique, incredibly creative concepts. You have total creative freedom to choose whichever one catches your eye. But for today's masterclass, we are focusing all our attention on example number 4, the stunning butterfly garden mandala. Take a look at the output structure. ChatGPT has flawlessly provided us with exactly 2 distinct image prompts, alongside one customized video motion prompt to animate the scene perfectly. Now let's turn this concept into an actual masterpiece. Open a new tab and go to the Google Flow AI platform. Click right there on the Create with Google Flow button. Before generating anything, we have to configure our studio parameters correctly. First, make sure you are operating in image mode. Second, lock your aspect ratio strictly to the 9:16 vertical layout. Third, maximize your options by setting the generation count to ×3. This ensures the AI gives us 3 different variations to pick from. Switch back to your ChatGPT tab and copy that very first image prompt. Return to the Flow AI interface. Paste the text directly into the main command bar and click Generate. Allow the AI engine a brief moment to process the details. And there we have it, 3 gorgeous, high-definition renders. Now, you need to act as a strict editor. Delete the 2 variations that don't look completely perfect and save only the absolute most flawless image. Let's move on to the second visual component. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Take that stunning first image you just selected and drag it straight into the Flow AI workspace to serve as your visual style reference. Paste your second prompt into the command bar, hit generate, and wait a few more seconds. The system will present 3 brand new visual options. Apply the exact same strict filter as before. Delete the 2 weaker shots and keep only the ultimate frame. Fantastic. We have successfully secured our 2 foundational assets, Image 1 and Image 2. It is finally time to animate. Switch your Flow AI workspace configuration from image mode over to video mode and specifically choose the Frames tool. Keep that crucial 9:16 vertical ratio active, but this time, turn the generation counter down to ×1. Grab your saved Image 1 and drag it firmly into the designated Start Frame slot. Next, take your perfectly matched Image 2 and drop it straight into the End Frame slot. You have successfully mapped the visual trajectory. For the final step, jump back to ChatGPT one last time and copy that specialized video motion prompt. Paste it right into the Flow AI video command center and click Generate.